Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. It's April 20th, coming at you with another video here, going over a trading protocol that I've previously reviewed, IBOTS.io. If you're interested in looking at more detail on this one, check out my previous video and we can get into the white paper on that one and get into more details. I wanted to give an update on this one, just go into my account and see how it's doing. I've been in the protocol for most of April, and as I previously stated, you can see in my account, I dropped in $750 in my initial tranche of money into this protocol, and I previously then I added about $1,000 additionally. So let's go over to looking at what's going on with the iBots right now. So they provide the information daily on a calendar, which I like. You can see the returns that you're making. This protocol gets they're targeting between 5 and 15% monthly. Some of the other protocols that I talked, daily or weekly returns, and iBots is a little bit lower with that 5 to 15% monthly, but they do just provide returns that they actually earning. So there's no Ponzi-nomics in this, and I'm really liking this one. It's a strong one. Again, not financial advice, just showing you what I'm doing, trying to provide some education for you. Make sure you do your research on this one. Go to ibots.io, look at their white paper, dig into it, look at my previous video. There's other videos by other YouTubers out there as well that are very good, like Pocket Aces, Crypto. He does some great videos on stuff as well. So get in, do your research. But what I'm liking about this here is that you see your daily returns. I did miss the April 4th was the biggest day, just under 1%. And looks like they're going to be making that 5% again this month. If they do, great. If they don't, I still do like it because again, no Ponzi-nomics. They take 20% off the top, and then they move forward, and they provide returns based on how much you have in the protocol. Now, the protocol currently has, I think, over $180,000 on it. And just this past month, they moved totally into the FOREX side of it. They do have a crypto bot, which they're planning to get back into, and they have other bots that they're working on as well. But the crypto bot was taking a little longer to close out, so they get a big hit of updates on it. So you can see like here if you look back into March. Um, you can see on March the 9th there, if you can read that one, they got 6.8% where they closed out, their crypto bot for, they were doing a long or short, I don't know what it was, but they got a big percentage out of that one. So they are going to get back into that, but they want to provide some more daily returns to their holders. So that Forex side, provides, kind of in that, 0.18, and you see some dates like the 17th here. They traded, but they didn't really make any profits per se. So but that's fine. They also don't trade when there's actually events happening that may cause fluctuations, which may affect the bots. So that's why they've been kind of closed down a lot on Thursdays, Fridays this week because there's been a lot of news coming out. So it is a lower risk protocol for sure, and thus you're making 5 to 15%, which is still good returns. But it's not as high as some of the other ones, and I definitely, like I say, no Ponzi-nomics. So let's switch over to my account here, and I wanted to go over that the credit card at the end. So as you can see, here's my account. I made $24 over the month so far, and you only earn off what's in my bots value, so you can compound the value either clicking at the bottom or over here on the side once you get to $50. So right now I need to double up what I've earned and go forward. And you can see here at the bottom you have transaction histories where the profits are sent to you, and basically what I made on that 0.24 the other day, $3, and then my deposits are in there as well. So I do like this one, and like I say, it's earning and it's going forward. So just starting with the protocol. Now I wanted to give an update as well on the Visa. They have the Visa debit card, and you have a minimum deposit of $55, and it was previously $500. They've upped this to $1,500. So if you're looking at spending some of your earnings, and you can do this directly, as long as Visa is accepted in your country, you can load up the card, and minimum of $55, now up to $1,500, and then they have the fees on the bottom. Make sure a $2 monthly maintenance fee. The load up the card, first issue is $6, and then top up fee as well as 6, and then you have 8% deposit fees. So there is quite a substantial amount of fees in my opinion. But just like any of these cards, I don't have a crypto.com card, or I don't have any of these other ones. But if you're looking to be able to off ramp some of your earnings, this is a great way to do it here, and they offer it right in here. You just put your name in, and then you load up your earnings, and then you can go spend it on your Visa debit card. So that's kind of my update now. I will follow up with another one of these when we get to the end of the month, so in like 7 to 10 days, well, probably more like 10 days or maybe a little bit after that, so we can see where they've earned for the month and what's going forward, and kind of cover some of the news. I know Oren, who's one of the owners, has talked about May being a good month, so they have some upcoming news, it would seem. So I'll be reporting on that as well. So if you do like my content, please like and subscribe. Always looking forward to bringing you more. This is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto.